Problem number 6. Two cars are moving in the same direction. See here, in the previous problem they told that they are moving in the opposite direction, but now they are moving in the same direction. They are moving in the same direction with their respective speeds 9 km per hour and 5 km per hour. Find the relative speed of first car with respect to second. See, if the two bodies are moving in the same direction, then what we have to do? According to the relative speed, we have to subtract their speeds. So, S1 minus S2 is equal to 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4 kilometers per hour, which is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 7. Problem number 7. A certain distance is covered at a certain speed. If half of the distance is covered in double time, the ratio of the two speeds. See here, you have to calculate the ratio of two speeds. See here, S1, speed 1 is equal to distance by time. Next, what they are telling? The next speed, half of the distance in double time. So, S2 is equal to d by 4t. Okay, see here, 2t into 2, 4t. So, now what they are asking? They are asking to calculate S1 by S2, that is d by t whole divided by d by 4t. So, S1 by S2 is equal to 4t into d divided by d into t. So, dt got cancelled. So, S1 by S2 is equal to 4:1. So, S1 by S2 is equal to 4:1. Option A is the right answer. See here, the problem is very simple. They are asking us to calculate the ratio of two speeds. So, what we know, S1 is equal to distance by time, that is the formula. Only we know that one. Okay, next the condition what they have given, second speed, half of the distance in double time. Half of the distance in double time. So, according to the condition I have written in the formula. Next, S1 by S2 I did, that is d by t whole divided by d by 4t. So, after simplification I got 4:1, that is option A. That is option A. Problem number 8. See here, a ratio between the speed of car and a train is 15:22 respectively. So, they have given the ratio of their speeds. Okay, car and train 15:22. If the speed of train is 35 km per hour more than that of car, what is the speed of car? See here, train is to car, that is 22:15, that is 22:15, means the speeds are 22x and 15x. If you compare the speed of train, the speed of trains is 35 km per hour more than car, means the difference between the speeds of car and train is 35 km. Okay, so 35 km per hour, that is the difference between the speed of train and car. So, 22 minus 15, that is 7x is equal to 35, therefore, x is equal to 5 km per hour. So, what they have asked? They have asked us to calculate the speed of car. So, speed of car is equal to 15x, that is 15 into 5, that is equal to 75 km per hour. 75 km per hour. Option A is the right answer. Problem number 9. See here, a truck covers a distance of 360 kilometers in 8 hours. A car covers the same distance in 6 hours. What is the respective ratio between the speed of the truck and the car? Two methodologies are there to solve these type of problems. See here, from this problem, the actual level of difficulty starts. These varieties of problem you can expect in your exam. Okay, see here, a truck covers a distance of 360 km in 8 hours. See, speed of truck is equal to distance travelled by time taken. So, that is 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 45 km per hour. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 45 km per hour. Next, what they are telling? A car covers the same distance in 6 hours. So, speed of car is equal to 360 by 6, which is equal to 60 km per hour. This is one more data. What is the respective ratio between the speed of the truck and the car? So, speed of the truck is 45, speed of the car is 60, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60. So, the ratio is 3:4. The ratio is 3:4. Okay. So, this is very simple, but you have one more methodology. If you adopt that one, then you can save a lot of time. See here what they are telling: speed of the speed of the truck and speed of the car. What distance they are traveling? They are traveling the same distance. So, truck is also traveling 360 kilometers, car is also traveling 360 kilometers. If both the bodies are moving the same, if both the bodies are covering the same distance, then you neglect the distance what they are covering. Okay. See here, truck is also covering 360 kilometers and car is also covering 360 kilometers. Both are covering the same distance. So, you neglect 360 kilometers. Next, what do you have to do? One concept we had learned in the introduction. So, what it is? Speed is inversely proportional to time, or time is inversely proportional to speed. See here, time taken by truck by time taken by car, that is the ratio of time taken by truck and time taken by car, that is 8/6, that is 4/3. Then the ratio of their speeds will be inversely proportional to their time. So, ratio of speed of the truck and the car is equal to inversely proportional. Means inversely proportional means what? The ratio has to become its inverse. So, it will become 3:4. See how easy it is, because they are traveling the same distance. Because of the same distance, you neglect the same distance, and speed will be inversely proportional to time. So, because of that reason, the ratio of time will be its inverse with respect to their speeds. Okay. So, speed of the truck by speed of the car is equal to inversely proportional to their time. Okay. So, 4/3 was the ratio of time. So, now speed will be 3/4, that is 3:4. You can save lot of time. Option B is the right answer. Okay. See here, the second technique, if you solve through the concept orally, you can solve 8/6, 4/3. So, time ratio 4/3, then speed ratio will be 3/4. So, 3:4 is the answer. How easy it is to calculate. Okay. Let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 10. Problem number 10. A car covers a distance of 200 kilometers in 2 hours 40 minutes, whereas a jeep covers the same distance in 2 hours. What is the ratio of their speeds? Very similar to the previous one. See here, a car is also covering 200 kilometers and the jeep is also covering same 200 kilometers. So, the distance is same. So, do we have to consider the same distance? Okay. See here, already they have given the distance as same. So, neglect the distance what they have given, because both the bodies are covering the same distance. So, now car by jeep, the time taken is equal to 2 hours plus 40 minutes. 40 minutes means what? 40 minutes, if you convert those things to hours, you are going to get 40/60 whole divided by 2 hours, So, 2/3. So, speed of the car to speed of the jeep will be inversely proportional to each other, that is 2 divided by 2 plus 2/3, 2 divided by 2 plus 2/3. So, 3 is the LCM. See here, simplify this 2 plus 2/3, 3 is the LCM, 2 into 3 6 plus 2, that is 8/3. Okay. So, speed of the car by speed of the jeep is equal to 2 divided by 8/3. So, 3 the numerator, 2 into 3 by 8, 2 4s are 8. So, which will be equal to 3:4. Okay. So, very simple, only thing is you have to convert that 40 minutes into hours. If you won't convert and if you take only 2.4, then you are going to do a biggest mistake. Okay. See here, you have to convert 40 minutes into hours. So, 2/3 hours. Why you have to divide it by 60? In 1 hour you have 60 minutes. Because of that reason, you have to divide it by 60. So 40 by 60, after simplification I got 2 plus 2 by 3. Okay, so later on after the simplification I got 3:4 is the ratio for speed of car and speed of jeep. So 3:4 is the answer. Option A is the answer. See, always you have to remember conversion. Wherever the conversion is required, you have to convert. Otherwise, you won't get the right answer. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 11. Problem number 11. A car covers a distance from town A to B at a speed of 58 km per hour and covers the distance from town B to A at a speed of 52 km per hour. What is the approximate average speed of the car? See, to calculate the average speed, we have two formulas. See here, average speed is equal to total distance by total time. This is one formula. One more thing is average speed is equal to 2s1 s2 divided by s1 plus s2. See here, when we have to use the first formula. See, okay, A to B you are traveling, A to B you are traveling. You are traveling at a speed of 58 km per hour. You are traveling at a speed of 58 km per hour, and you are coming back at a speed of 52 km per hour. 52 km per hour. Do you have any scope to calculate the distance and time? No, because if they could have given time, then we could have calculated the distance, then average speed is total distance by total time taken. We could have done that. Otherwise, if they could have given the distance, we could have calculated the time, and based on those two data, we could have calculated the average speed. But we don't have any scope to calculate the distance and time. Only thing is, we know the two different speeds. Okay, to and fro motion, the speed we know. Okay, so 58 km per hour and 52 km per hour. So then, which formula we have to use? We have to go with the second formula, that is average speed is equal to 2 into 58 into 52 divided by 58 plus 52. So how much you are going to get? 52 into 2, 104 into 58 divided by 110, divided by 110. So how much you are going to get? See here, all are in kilometer per hour. In the option also we want in kilometer per hour. So no need to convert anything, directly you solve. See here, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Next, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next, what we can do? See here, 104 into 29 you have to calculate. How to calculate 104 into 29? It's very simple. See here, 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 into 29 can be written as 20 plus 9 or 30 minus 1. Whichever is feasible for you people, you consider that one. 100 into 20, 2000. Next, 100 into 9, 900. 20 into 4, 80. 9 into 4, 36. So how much you got? 6, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry 10, 3. So 3016 divided by 55. So 3016 by 55 means 3016 divided by 55. So how many times? 5 times. So 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. 27. So 11 minus 5, 6, 9 minus 7, 2. Again you write 6 here. So 55 5s are again 275 you are going to get, but you should get 266. Therefore 55 4s are. So 4 5s are 20, 2 carry over, 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. So how much you are going to get? 46. So 54 point, next 0 you write. See here, 54 point something we got. So 54 point something means the approximate answer is 55. Okay, the approximate answer is 55. No need to calculate further because they have asked us to calculate the approximate answer. So 54 point something we are getting. So in the option, the very near answer is 55. So approximate answer is 55 kilometers per hour. Very simple. You have to go with the formula 2s1 s2 divided by s1 plus s2. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 12. A car reached Raipur from Sonagar in 35 minutes. With an average speed of 69 km per hour. If the average speed is increased by 36 km per hour, how long will it take to cover the same distance? See here, based on the first data, we can identify the distance. See, this problem can be solved in two different methodologies. Okay, let me tell you the first methodology, that is the general methodology, how to solve. See here, 69 kilometer per hour. 69 kilometer per hour is equal to distance divided by time. So, time is 35 minutes. 35 minutes, but 69 is in kilometer per hour, distance you do not know, time 35 minutes. So, see here, you convert this one into hours. So, how much you are going to get? 69 into 35 divided by 60. So, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 20 you got. So, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 25. So, 23 into 7 by 4 is the distance. 23 into 7 by 4 kilometers is the distance. Now, if the average speed is increased by 36 kilometer per hour, so they are increasing the speed from 69 and they are adding 36. So, 9 plus 6 15, 105 kilometer per hour, 105 kilometer per hour. Then how much time it takes to cover the same distance? See here, 105 is equal to distance 23 into 7 by 4 whole divided by t, whole divided by t. Therefore, time is equal to 23 into 7 divided by 105 into 4, 105 into 4. See here, 7 1s are 7, next 7 5s are 35. So, see here, time is 23 by 15 into 4, that is 60. Okay, time is 23 by 60 hours. But what you have to do? You have to calculate in minutes. Therefore, into 60 minutes, 60 got cancelled. You are going to end up with 23 minutes. You are going to end up with 23 minutes. Okay. So, this is the actual procedure, but it is a lengthy procedure. Based on the first condition, you have to calculate the distance. We calculated the distance as 23 into 7 by 4. Next, with the help of the distance and with the help of the new speed, we have calculated the time. The time is 23 into 7 divided by 105 into 4. So, after simplification, I got 23 by 60 hours. But what I have to do? I have to convert these things into minutes, because in the question they have asked us to calculate the minutes. So, 23 by 60 into 60, which is equal to 23 minutes. See, this is the actual procedure. But you have one more technique to solve, which you use, if you use, you can save lot of time. See here, let me tell you the technique. What was the initial speed? 69. The initial speed is 69. How much they are adding? For that 69, they are adding 36, which is equal to 105. So, 69 is becoming 105, means what is the ratio? 105 by 69. If speed is going to become 105 by 69 of the original speed, okay, see here, we are going to use the concept called inversely proportional to each other, because in both the conditions the distance are same. So, if the distance are same, you neglect the distance and you consider only speed and time. See, speed and time both are inversely proportional to each other. We are using that concept. Initially it was 69, now it is 105. After increasing 36, it has become 105. So, what is the new ratio of speed? 105 by 69. Then how about the time? Time is inversely proportional to speed. So, time is going to become 69 by 105 of original time. Original time was 35. Okay, this is original speed and this is original time, that is 35. So, next, see here, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35. Next, 5 3s are 15. So, 69 by 3, 69 by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So, 23 minutes. See how easily we got the answer. So, very simple. Initially it was 69, now it is 105. The new ratio is 105 by 69. So, what will be the time? The time is inversely proportional to each other. It is going to become 69 by 105 into 35 minutes. So, after simplifying, we are going to get 23 minutes as the answer. 23 minutes as the answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay, option C is the right answer.